How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Okay. You can go to the blog and you can see all the activities you have to do in your house. And today I'm going to explain some activities. Are you ready? Okay. We are going to practice some vocabulary from Unit 4. Repeat after me.
Bat,
Bat.
bat,
Very good.
bird,
Bird.
bird,
Bird.
butterfly,
Butterfly.
butterfly,
Butterfly.
duck,
Duck.
duck,
Very good.
frog,
Frog.
frog,
Frog.
hedgehog,
Hedgehog.
hedgehog,
Hedgehog. Very good.
lizard,
Lizard.
lizard,
Lizard.
owl,
Owl.
owl,
Very good.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
squirrel,
Squirrel.
squirrel,
Very good. Okay. And now we are going to continue in unit, remember, number 4. And we are going to do some activities. The first activity is number 1 in page 38.
listen, point and repeat.
Okay, we are going to listen, we are going to point, and we are going to repeat. Are you ready?
Bird, bird,
Bird. Listen, point. Very good.
bird,
And you have to do this with all the animals. We are going to do 2 examples.
bat, bat,
Bat. Can you see the bat in the picture? Very good.
bat,
Okay. In your house, you have to do all the examples. Now we are going to watch a video.
listen,
Sorry, the video.
listen and chant.
The video is Animals Everywhere. You have to watch this video in your house, okay? Do you like the video? It's fantastic. When you finish watching the video, then you go to this activity. We are going to revise the colors, but we are going to watch a video I've got for you. You go to the link and then, are you ready? The Rainbow Song.
Blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. It's a rainbow, it's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Red,
Red,
orange,
orange, repeat.
yellow,
Yellow,
green,
green,
blue,
blue,
purple,
purple,
pink,
pink.
red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
Okay, and then that you have finished revising the animals and the colors, we are going to do one more activity. We go to the book online and then we go to the activity book, remember unit 4. And we are going to do on page 22 this activity. Some of you finished this activity in the school. If it is finished, then you don't have to do it. But if you didn't finish in the school, You have to finish now, okay? What you have to do in this activity
Look and complete.
is to look at the animal, this duck, or this butterfly, or this hedgehog, or this frog. You have to complete and copy the animal, and then look. This frog is green, so you have to color the frog what color? Very good, green. And you have to do the same with the rest of the animals. And that's all. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.